I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Paul. I'm doing great, thank you. A little busy, but happy to be here with all our amazing listeners. How about you?
I'm fantastic, Emily. Ready to talk about some really useful words today. Words we use every single day.
Yes, that's our topic for today, everyone. We're going to talk about common English words that you can use in your daily conversations. These are words that native speakers use all the time, and they will make your English sound super natural.
Exactly. These words are like little keys that unlock smoother conversations. Before we start, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Paul, are you ready to dive into our list of everyday words?
I am so ready, Emily. Let's go.
So, let's start with words we use at work or when we talk about productivity. These are words that help you express things clearly when you are busy.
Great idea. The first word is actually. It's super common.
Yes. For example, you might say, "Actually, I'm busy right now." It means in reality or in fact.
Right. Or, I thought it was raining, but actually, it's sunny. It's good for correcting information gently.
Yes, exactly. It adds a nice nuance. What's next on our list?
Next up is probably. Like in the sentence, I'll probably finish this later.
Ah, probably. It means it's likely or it's very possible. It's not 100% sure, but close.
Yes. I'll probably go to the park this weekend. It shows a strong possibility.
So useful. Like, it will probably rain tomorrow. You're not completely sure, but you have a good feeling about it.
Exactly. Next, we have two very similar words, kind of and sort of.
Oh, these are great for being a little less direct. Like, I'm kinda tired today.
Yes, or the movie was sort of boring. They mean a little bit or somewhat.
So, you're not saying you are 100% tired, just kinda tired. It softens your statement.
Right. It's kind of cold outside. Not freezing, but not warm either.
Very handy for describing feelings or situations without being too strong. What's our next work-related word?
It's deal with, as in, I have to deal with a lot of emails.
Oh, deal with. This means to manage something, to handle a situation or a problem.
Yes, I need to deal with this problem right now. It's about taking action to solve or manage something.
Like, my job is to deal with customer complaints. It's a very common phrase in professional settings.
It is. And finally, for work, we have schedule. Let me check my schedule.
Ah, schedule. This is your plan for the day or week or month, your appointments, meetings, and tasks.
Yes. What's your schedule like tomorrow? It's your calendar, your agenda.
Like, my schedule is full today. I can't meet. It's essential for organizing your time.
Absolutely. Those are super common words for work and productivity. Great start, Emily.
Good job, Paul.
Okay, Emily. let's move to words we use in everyday interactions. These make your conversations flow nicely.
Yes, these are so important for sounding natural. First up, guess what?
Oh, I love guess what? It's great for sharing exciting news, like, guess what? I got a new job!
Wow, that's wonderful. Yes, it's like saying, I have some news. Can you guess?
Right. Or, guess what? I saw a famous actor today. It grabs attention.
It really does. It creates excitement. What's next, Paul?
Next is by the way. By the way, did you see my message?
By the way is perfect for changing the topic a little or adding extra information.
Yes. You're talking about one thing, and then you remember something else related. Oh, by the way, I remembered I need to buy milk.
Exactly. It's very natural. You're talking about dinner, and then you add, by the way, did you remember to buy bread?
Very smooth transition word. Then we have anyway. Anyway, let's move on.
Anyway is great for getting back to the main point or ending a side conversation.
Yes, you've been talking about something off topic, and then you say, anyway, as I was saying.
Or if you're ending a call and just want to wrap up. Anyway, I have to go now. It's polite and clear.
Perfect. Now, this next word we already mentioned, but it's so versatile, we need to mention it again here. Actually.
Yes, actually. We used it for work, but it's also fantastic for everyday talk. Actually, I don't like pizza.
Right. It's for correcting information, but in a polite way. Someone says, "Do you like coffee?" You can say, "Actually, I prefer tea."
It adds a little softness to your correction. I thought you were going to the party. Actually, I decided to stay home.
Super useful for clarifying things. And finally, for everyday interactions, we have I mean.
I mean, this is so natural. You use it to explain yourself better or to clarify what you just said. Like, I mean, it's not bad, but...
Yes, you might say something, and then you think, maybe I need to explain that more. So you say, I mean, what I'm trying to say is...
Or if you say something a little strong and want to soften it, the movie was terrible. I mean, it wasn't my favorite.
Yes, exactly. It helps you rephrase or add more detail to your thoughts. These words really make conversations flow.
They really do, Paul. Good examples. Now, let's talk about words we use at home. Our home life is full of common situations, right?
Absolutely, Emily. First up, a very common one, leftovers. We're having leftovers for dinner.
Oh, leftovers. This is food that you cooked for a meal, but you didn't eat all of it, so you save it for later.
Yes. Do we have any leftovers from last night's pasta? It's a great way to save food and time.
So true. It means you don't have to cook again. I love leftovers for lunch the next day.
Me too. Next, a word many of us know well, messy. My room is so messy today.
Oh, messy. It means not clean or tidy. Things are out of place.
Yes, the kitchen is a bit messy after breakfast. It means you need to clean it.
So, if your room is messy, maybe your clothes are on the floor or books are everywhere. It's the opposite of tidy.
Exactly. And finally, a very important word for home life. Fix. I need to fix the sink.
Ah, fix. This means to repair something that is broken.
Yes. Can you fix my computer? It's not working. It means to make something work again.
Or, I need to fix the light bulb in the living room. It's about repairing or putting something right.
Super useful. We use it all the time at home. Those are great words for daily home life.
They really are. Simple, but so important.
Okay, Emily, let's talk about words we use when we're on our phones or on the internet. Because who isn't, right?
So true, Paul. These are very modern, everyday words. First, log in and log out. Did you log in to your account?
Yes, log in means to enter your username and password to get access to a website or an app. Log out is the opposite, to leave.
Right. I need to log in to my email to check my messages. And when you're done, you log out for security.
Exactly. Always remember to log out. Next, we have scroll. I was scrolling through Instagram.
Oh, scroll. This means to move text or images up or down on a screen.
Yes, when you are looking at your social media feed, you are scrolling down to see new posts.
Or you can scroll up to read an article from the beginning. It's the movement on the screen.
Super common action. Then, upload and download. I'm downloading the file.
Yes, download means to copy files from the internet to your device. And upload is the opposite, to send files from your device to the internet.
So if you want to save a song to your phone, you download it. If you want to put a picture on social media, you upload it.
Exactly. Or if you send a document to your computer from your phone, you upload it to the cloud first, then download it to your computer.
Yes, exactly. These are essential for anyone using a phone or computer today.
Definitely. These words are used constantly. Now, let's talk about words for our emotions and reactions. These help us express how we feel.
Yes, very important. First one, annoyed. I'm a little annoyed right now.
Oh, annoyed. This means feeling a little angry or impatient about something small.
Yes, like when something is bothering you. I'm annoyed by the loud music from next door. It's not super angry, just a bit irritated.
Right, like I was annoyed when my train was late. It's a mild negative feeling.
Exactly. Next, a very positive one. Excited. I'm really excited about the trip.
Excited. This means feeling very happy and enthusiastic about something that is going to happen.
Yes, I'm so excited for my birthday. You're looking forward to it a lot.
So you feel a lot of positive energy. The children are excited to go to the park. They can't wait.
Definitely a great feeling. And finally, a word that describes a common emotion. Frustrated. I feel frustrated with this app.
Ah, frustrated. This means feeling upset or impatient because you can't do something or achieve something.
Yes, when you try something and it doesn't work, you feel frustrated. Like, I'm frustrated because I can't open this jar.
It's a feeling of being stuck or blocked. I get frustrated when my internet is slow. You want to do something, but the slow internet stops you.
Yes, exactly that feeling. These words are super important for sharing how you feel.
They really are. They help you connect with people by expressing your inner state.
Okay, Emily, for our last section, let's talk about words we use when we're shopping or in city life.
Great idea, Paul. These are very practical. First up, check out. Check out this store.
Yes, check out means to look at something because it's interesting or new, or to pay at a store.
Right. If someone says, check out that new restaurant, it means go look at it. It's good.
Or, when you are at the supermarket, you go to the checkout counter to pay for your groceries.
So it has two meanings depending on the context. Very useful. Next, run out of. We ran out of milk.
Oh, run out of. This means you have used all of something, and there is none left.
Yes, I ran out of gas on the way to work. That's a bad situation.
Yes, very bad. Or, we ran out of bread, so I need to go to the store.
It means you need to get more because you have nothing left. Very common household phrase.
Absolutely. And our final phrase for today, take a look. Take a look at this offer.
Take a look. This means to look at something quickly or briefly. It's similar to check out in some ways.
Yes. Can you take a look at my homework? I think it has a mistake. It's asking someone to review something.
Or if you are shopping, a salesperson might say, take a look at our new products. It's an invitation to see something.
Yes, exactly. It's a friendly way to ask someone to see something. Those are excellent words for shopping and city life.
They really are, Paul. We covered so many useful words today.
Wow, Emily, that was a fantastic list of everyday English words. I think our listeners will find them super helpful.
I hope so, Paul. These words are truly used all the time by native speakers, and they will make your English sound so much more natural and fluent.
Yes, they are little building blocks for great conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these words in your own sentences every day.
That's a great tip, Paul. And speaking of practice, dear listeners, please don't forget to subscribe channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And please leave us a comment below. Tell us which of these words you use the most, or if there's a word you use every day that we didn't mention. We love hearing from you.
Yes, your comments inspire us. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mr. English Channel.
We had so much fun with you all. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.